Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and wish you a very happy moment here. So today we have gathered in Estema at Nogaya Palm near JomunaMukh. So today we are all the Muslim brothers are united to share the love and the rahmat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And here we can see that every people gathering from so many parts of our northeast, and they are dedicating themselves towards the Almighty who have created us, and every one of us has gathered with patience and exciting. And you must say that there is so much excitement in the people here. So I can see the crowd, I can see the people still coming to offer 2 rakats of Salat Jummah along with Zamat, so that everyone could see such an amazing feeling here. So you can see the people all around. They have been sitting with patience, bearing the heat. The temperature is gonna rising, and also we can see that everyone from different parts, we are gathered like a family. So it has been feeling that on the day of judgment you will be gathered like this also. It's such an example, a small example like this, that everyone will be coming together and sharing one place. But that day will be different from this place. It is not like this, because at that day everyone will for themselves, every man for themselves will be there. But today in this earth, it is such a precious moment, such a precious moment. You can see here that every one of us has came by grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we have gathered so that we can get a vow here. So I request to my brothers to have good moment and enjoy the time. Thank you.